Karla USC grad student day in the life. So today I will be going to my side event, and it is a little bit raining, but oh well. So my first side event is on congenital anomalies and UHC, and it did end early, so I made my way back to the Corvain and I got asked to see my ticket. But since I came early to where I will be going to my side event that I would be helping support alongside with my colleagues, I decided to stop by the mall, get an iced coffee, then make my way to the Hotel Royale where my colleagues and I will be supporting by taking notes. And this side event was phenomenal. After this event, we went straight to the Intercontinental where we would be meeting Stephanie Pizaski, and forever thankful, blessed, and grateful that we got to meet her, because not only is she an incredible person, but she did take the time to meet my class and I. Then last side event, which is public and private partnerships. Then Cafe du Prairie for dinner because we're all hungry. Then it started raining again really hard, but oh well. Bye, Annie. And now to end my day, to finally do some homework and sleep.